Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Now, if you've been following our series of making a needle book, you'll know that I made this one, which is quite a large size needle book, but I wanted to incorporate this beautiful panel which I had, which is a Liberty print. Now, I made this book up as I have done with all the other needle books, but when it came to actually making it up, I decided to give it another job. So I'm going to reveal it to you today, and this gives you a little bit of an indication. This beautiful Curious Moon brooch. Ready? Drum roll. And it is a brooch holder. Now, I love collecting brooches. I always have done. I think my grandmother started me off because I've got one of her old brooches which is a little bit broken, but I've always kept it. And so I've collected brooches. I have to be careful now that I don't buy any more because I've got so many. But I've decided to put some of them on this lovely book because it's such a beautiful book that and my brooches were all in a drawer or in a jewellery box, but it was very difficult to see them, and I want to try and start wearing them more often. So I've placed them on here on this beautiful panel with this floral design. I've put all my lovely brooches. I've got a feather brooch there, daisy, some of these are pins, a little hat, watering can, and some of these have been purchased for me. My daughter bought me that one, and this was my mum's. I like to wear beautiful green with gold leaves. These are made out of shells. That's like Christmas bells, enamelled ones. These ones I bought when my daughter was tiny. I've got a blue one and a red one. This beautiful floral brooch, and I've got some very old ones as well. This one is a flower holder. I've worn that to weddings and had a carnation or a rose in there, which is quite nice. So it goes on, and I've got autumn leaf brooches, large brooches, small brooches. This one was my mum's. This one I made at art college, which is a bit of a jumble, but it's my old fob watch. It was broken, it didn't work, and we had to make something ordinary into something extraordinary, and so I covered it with jewels and charms and beads and little daisies at the top. So you can't recognise it at all, but beautiful butterfly brooches, lovely daisies here, leaves. These ones, my mum, I think my mum made these. They're little pebbles, I suppose, rather than stones, glazed. That's a stone. And then some other brooches. I haven't finished putting brooches on. I've got some beautiful brooches that I'm not sure, I've kept them in boxes. I've got a beautiful butterfly brooch that my friend Marilyn bought me, and I've kept that in a box because I think they will scratch each other a little bit if I'm not careful. So I've tried to place them where they won't hit each other. But it's going to be very useful for me to have them all in there, and so I can see them and wear them when I want to. So rather a different end for a needle book, but I hope you like it. And I'll be back to show you my more traditional needle books in another video.